Gee whiz, these utility bills are nuts. We need to reduce our electrical consumption. Let's get solar! And restaurants will have to make sales appointments. I'm gonna find families the solar sales guy. Get out of the way! And then have different people walk our roof. Do you know what you're doing up there? I don't need this liability. Look at you. Why bother with a ladder? And then if that isn't enough, we still have to sit through sales pitches.
And what happens with the photons is that they hit the solar panels and they start to convert into electricity that your home can use, giving you a really quick return on investment.
I wish there was a better way. There is this Kajanko.
DroneQuote is the smart way to get solar or roofing quotes. A certified drone pilot collects roof imagery and other ground details for accurate quoting. Then our partner installers submit competitive quotes for your review on our easy-to-use dashboard where you select your winner. Our innovative and veteran-owned service is convenient and absolutely free. Learn more at DroneQuote.net, where solar and roofing is bought, not sold.
Look at all this money solar saved us. Let's go buy some stuff.